Before diving into automotive cybersecurity, it is important to build a clear mental model of the environment we are dealing with. Modern vehicles are no longer isolated mechanical systems. They are complex connected computing platforms. Infotainment systems now run full operating systems, connect to mobile devices, communicate with cloud services, and interact with internal vehicle networks. Because of this connectivity, cybersecurity has become a critical engineering requirement in the automotive industry. In this lecture, we will first understand the evolution of modern software-defined vehicles and the role that infotainment systems play inside vehicle architecture. Next, we will introduce Android Automotive OS and understand how it connects the Android software stack with vehicle electronic systems. We will then examine why cybersecurity risks in vehicles are fundamentally different from traditional mobile or desktop systems, especially because security failures can impact physical vehicle behavior. Finally, we will review how this course is structured, including the technical topics, the practical labs, and the real AOSP source code components that will be analyzed throughout the course. This mental model will prepare the foundation for the deeper technical lectures that follow. Modern vehicles are no longer purely mechanical machines, they are complex distributed software platforms. Over the past 2 decades, automotive architecture has evolved from simple electronic control units into highly connected computing environments. Early vehicles contained only a few embedded controllers, responsible for engine control, braking systems, and body electronics. However, modern vehicles now integrate dozens, and sometimes more than 100 electronic control units, communicating continuously across multiple vehicle networks. These systems control critical vehicle functions, including powertrain management, advanced driver assistance systems, infotainment, and connectivity services. This transformation has introduced the concept of the software-defined vehicle. In a software-defined vehicle, functionality is increasingly implemented in software layers, rather than fixed hardware modules. Infotainment systems, cloud connectivity, smartphone integration, and over-the-air software updates are now central capabilities of modern vehicles. As vehicles became connected to external networks, the attack surface of the vehicle expanded dramatically. A vehicle is no longer an isolated machine. It is now a connected computing system, exposed to wireless communication, mobile applications, and cloud infrastructure. This transformation is the primary reason cybersecurity has become a critical engineering discipline in the automotive industry. Android Automotive OS is a full Android operating system designed specifically to run directly inside a vehicle infotainment system. Unlike smartphone projection technologies, Android Automotive runs natively on the vehicle hardware. The operating system manages application execution, system services, user interfaces, and connectivity features inside the vehicle. At a high level, Android Automotive follows the layered Android architecture. At the bottom, the Linux kernel manages hardware abstraction, device drivers, and process scheduling. Above the kernel, the Android native system services provide core platform capabilities. The Android framework layer then exposes application APIs, allowing applications to interact with system services. However, Android Automotive introduces additional vehicle-specific components. The car service framework layer exposes APIs for vehicle information, vehicle status, and vehicle control signals. Below this layer, the vehicle hardware abstraction layer connects the Android framework to the vehicle electronic systems. This architecture forms the bridge between the Android operating system and the vehicle's internal communication networks. Understanding this bridge is essential for understanding automotive cybersecurity. Cybersecurity in vehicles is fundamentally different from cybersecurity in consumer electronics. In traditional computing environments, security incidents usually impact data confidentiality or user privacy. Examples include stolen personal data, compromised user accounts, or malware affecting device functionality. In vehicles, security vulnerabilities can directly impact physical safety. If attackers gain access to internal vehicle networks, they may be able to manipulate signals controlling vehicle behavior. This can potentially influence systems such as braking, steering assistance, or acceleration control. For this reason, cybersecurity failures in vehicles are treated not only as security issues, but also as functional safety concerns. Automotive cybersecurity therefore intersects with safety engineering disciplines. Security engineers must ensure that software vulnerabilities cannot propagate through the system architecture into safety-critical vehicle components. This is one of the main reasons the automotive industry now treats cybersecurity as a mandatory engineering discipline. The infotainment system, often referred to as the IVI system, plays a central role in modern vehicle cybersecurity. Unlike many other vehicle electronic systems, the infotainment system interacts extensively with external networks. These systems commonly support Bluetooth connectivity, Wi-Fi communication, cellular data networks, USB interfaces, and mobile companion applications. Each of these interfaces introduces a potential attack entry point. For example, a malicious application installed on the infotainment system could attempt to access sensitive vehicle information. Similarly, vulnerabilities in Bluetooth stacks, Wi-Fi services, or media parsers can expose the system to remote attacks. Once an attacker compromises the infotainment system, they may attempt to move deeper into the vehicle architecture. This process is commonly referred to as lateral movement inside the vehicle network. Protecting the infotainment system is therefore a major component of automotive cybersecurity architecture. Although Android Automotive is based on Android, the security expectations are significantly different from smartphones. Mobile operating systems primarily focus on protecting user data and isolating applications from each other. Android achieves this through mechanisms such as application sandboxing, permission enforcement, and process isolation. In vehicles, the security model must additionally protect vehicle control signals and safety-critical communication channels. Applications must never gain uncontrolled access to vehicle signals, such as speed, steering angle, or powertrain data. For this reason, Android Automotive introduces additional access control layers beyond the standard Android application model. Vehicle data is exposed only through specialized system services, which enforce strict permission checks. Access to these services is typically restricted to trusted system applications, or applications signed by the vehicle manufacturer. This controlled architecture prevents third-party applications from directly interacting with critical vehicle systems. This course is organized into several structured sections, each building deeper understanding of automotive cybersecurity. The first section focuses on foundational concepts. This includes understanding modern vehicle architectures, connected vehicle ecosystems, and the primary attack surfaces in connected cars. The second section explores automotive cybersecurity regulations and standards. These include ISO 21434 and the UNECEWP .29R155 cybersecurity regulation, which define mandatory cybersecurity requirements for vehicle manufacturers. The third section introduces Android security architecture. This includes topics such as the Android sandbox model, binder IPC security, and verified boot. The fourth section focuses specifically on Android automotive security architecture. This includes vehicle permissions, car service security enforcement, and a vehicle hardware abstraction layer. Finally, the course explores vehicle communication networks and attack techniques. Understanding cybersecurity requires more than theoretical explanations. For this reason, the course includes several practical exercises and source code exploration sessions. Students will analyze real components from the Android Automotive open source project. Examples include car service security enforcement mechanisms, vehicle property permission checks, and the vehicle HAL interface implementation. These labs allow students to observe how Android Automotive actually protects vehicle data and vehicle communication channels. Additional exercises include threat modeling an infotainment system, analyzing SE Linux policies, and inspecting vehicle property access control. These practical activities help translate theoretical security principles into real implementation knowledge. To fully benefit from this course, students should have familiarity with several technical areas. Basic knowledge of Android architecture, including activities, services, and application permissions, is helpful. Understanding Linux fundamentals, such as processes, permissions, and system services, will also improve comprehension. Experience navigating the Android open source project and reading Java or C++ code will help during the source code exploration labs. Some practical exercises may also reference tools such as ADB, Logcat, and Linux networking utilities. However, the course will introduce all required concepts gradually, so learners can follow along even if they are new to the automotive domain.